again with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Just took this lovely Triumph Tr4A for a drive there. British Racing green tan interior. Mechanically really good. I know it's been sitting a little bit, and I started the drive off, and it felt like it needed a tune-up, but by the time I got back, it was all nicely warmed up and everything had cleaned out, and it was running and driving pretty nicely. Mileage shows, I believe, 76,000 original miles. That we believe to be original, so it's a largely, mechanically unrestored car, but well maintained. So, runs, drives, stops, steers, does everything pretty nicely. There was a little tiny clicking on the front of the engine. I think the fan bushes are loose for the fan on the end of the crankshaft. That's what it sounded like to me. And when I checked the fan, it is a bit loose. So a couple little knickknacks to do in the future, but very good running, driving car. Pretty good synchros, good strong revving engine, and it just runs better and better the more I get in here and drive it. So another little quick walk around of the interior here. Real nice, pretty car. British Racing green tan interior, 60 spoke chrome wire wheels. We've got about 3 TR4s on offer right now, and they're all really nice little cars. And there it is, 1967 Tr4A Irs Convertible, British Racing green, tan interior, stunning car, chrome wire wheels, tan top, and good running driving car. You can see me driving it preceding this final walk around.